so this is another coding challenge. This one I'm going to be solving using a sliding window pattern. The specific problem is given a string and pattern, find all anagrams of the pattern within the given string. So basically you're writing a function to return the indices, the starting indices of each anagram within that string. For example, if you have this string here, you want to return 1 and 2 because the starts of each anagram are 1 and 2, index 1 and 2. So let's jump into code. Basically, my plan for solving this is to, I need to keep track of a few things first. I need to keep track of, so I'm using Go, I need to keep track of the, I need an array of the runes or the characters within the given string because I want to keep track of the indices of that character within the given string, not the bytes position. And then I need to keep track of the left and right side of the sliding window, as well as the number of matches. And so the number of matches is I'm going to have this character counts map, which will essentially, I'll be reducing every time I encounter a new character within the given substring that is within the pattern. I'm going to be reducing that count, and then every time that count reaches 0, I want to increase my number of matches. And then if my number of matches equals the unique or distinct number of characters within the pattern, then I want to add the current substring's starting index to my answer slice, a slice of, or an array of indices that signify the starts of each anagram. So, yeah, I make the character counts map, add all those characters within there. I make a array, a slice of integers, which will be the starts of those anagrams. So I'm iterating through this array of runes or characters, and if that character is within the pattern, is a character within the pattern, then I want to decrement the count for that character. I want to adjust the left side of the sliding window if needed, and that is if the current substring is now longer than the length of the pattern, I want to bump up the left side by 1. So what that means is if that character on the left side of is within, actually, I don't think I need to, I can actually get rid of this next time. I don't think I need to check if it's within that, within the character counts, because I know it is if it is part of the substring. Anyway, I need to add that count back into the counts and then increment the left side of the sliding window. If my character count for the current character is 0, then I want to increase my number of matches. And I still have some things to do on this problem. I need to reset the character counts and left and right side of the sliding window if the current character count for the current character is less than 0. So this would happen if, say, I encountered, this string right here. Oh, easy there. So I would be subtracting it, and every time it hit this, so at index 1 and 2, the count would be -1 and -2. I mean, it would never reach -2. It would reset after -1. Basically, when that happened, I would want to reset. So the left side of the sliding window would now be this index 1, and so would the right. And then I would want to have a clean slate for my character counts as well. And then I would just begin anew. So starting to add more characters to my sliding window. And then I would do that the next iteration with that second A, And then once again, I would be at -1 for that current character. So I would reset my left and right side of the sliding window once more. So the left side would be at index 2, and so with the right, and then I would begin anew. Add in B, my number of matches would increase because I now have A and B knocked out, but then I would hit B, and so then it would reset once more because the character count for B would be less than 0. Anyway, so I have yet to do that. And then if my matches, if the number of matches, if the number of characters that I've knocked out within the current substring is equal to the distinct characters within the pattern, then I want to keep track of that, the left index of my current substring. I want to add that index to my anagrams indexes, or starts as I've called it. And then I want to increment the right side of my sliding window. Then if the character is not within, while I'm iterating through those characters, if it's not within the, what's it called? If it's not a character within the pattern, then I want to essentially reset everything. I want to reset my character counts and reset the left and right side of my sliding window. So for instance, if, let's see, if it was G right here. So if my sliding window is starting at this A, going to B, and now I'm on G, and so I hit this condition right here where it is not a character within my pattern, I would want to reset the left and right side of the sliding window to be this index here, or 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, index 5, and then reset my character counts all over again. So yeah. Yeah, so still things to do. I will continue that. But for now, finished writing out the tests as well. Oh, I should still add in some more tests here, but just like the overall structure. Essentially, it's going to iterate through these test cases, get an answer array, and then first check to make sure that answer array is equal to the desired one, like the length. Make sure they have the same number of indices for those the starts of those anagrams. And then I want to just iterate through and make sure it has the exact same indices as well. So yeah, that's it for now. The code will be in the description, and there will be a part 2 to this video as well.